Hello, students of Standard First. Are you enjoying your online learning? Yes. So today I come back with subject English, and today we are going to start Unit 8. Yes. Do you like the previous all lesson? Yes. So what we are going to learn? Just wait. We'll come to know which lesson we are going to learn. Just wait. Here is a Chintu and he wants to ask you something. And what is this? Yes, he wants to ask you puzzle. And you have to answer, you have to solve this puzzle. Okay? Just listen. I am up in sky. See in daytime. I am hot, but not harmful. Who am I? Come on, guess. Who am I? I am up in the sky. I live in the sky. I only see in daytime. I am disappearing in the night. I am hot. Getting the answer? Not getting. Okay, let me show you clue. What is this? What is it? Easy. Yes, the answer is the sun. You are right. That answer of the puzzle is the sun. And this only we are going to learn in today's lesson. Lesson 1. Lesson 1. And that is the poem, The Sun. And this poem we are going to learn in today's session. This poem is written by John Drinkwater. So, who is the poet of this poem? John Drinkwater. And who is called poet? The person who composed the poet is called poet. Understood? So, this poem is very interesting. First, I will read this poem and then I will explain you. Okay? Let's start. Poem number 1, The Sun. I told the sun that I was glad. I am sure I don't know why. Somehow the pleasant way he had of shining in the sky just put a notion in my head that wouldn't it be fun if walking on the hill I said I am happy to the sun. Written by John Drinkwater. So I finished the reading. Here, the poet wants to explain that he is happy. Okay, is happy. He was happy. He was glad. Glad means what? Happy. Same meaning of the word glad is a happy. So the poet was happy. Why he was happy? Because sun comes in the sky. Naturally, when the sun rises, all the living things becomes happy because sun is their life, and so all becomes happy. With the rising of the sun, the atmosphere, the climate become pleasant. So as usual, the poet was also happy, the poet was also glad. Poet is saying, I am sure I don't know why. Poet is saying, I don't know why I am happy. He is not getting the answer why he is happy. Then is trying to find out the answer why he is happy. Somehow the pleasant way he had of shining in the sky. The poet says the pleasant means the joyful way he got. And what is that joyful atmosphere? Sun rising atmosphere is very joyful and pleasant. The sun is shining in the sky, and so the poet is become happy. Just put a notion in my head. That wouldn't it be fun? The poet is saying or telling the sun. One notion means what? Idea. Notion means what? Idea. Just put a notion. Just idea come in my head, in my mind. And that idea is a fun. He got an idea that is a fun. He's become very happy. The one funny idea comes in his mind. And the next poem wants to tell us, if walking on the hill, I said, in the morning time, people used to walk on the hillside. Okay, and the poet also went on a hillside. He walks on the hillside, and that time he becomes very happy, and he's saying, I am happy to the sun. When he is walking on the hillside, he becomes very happy, and he's saying, Sun, I am very happy, and because of you, I am very happy. You come with the shining star in the sky, and that fills my life with a joy. And so, poet becomes very happy. Yes, that message only poet John Drinkwater gives us through the poem. So, you understood the poem? What the message poet want to give us? Understood? Yes. So, here are the few words, and everybody know what are these words called. Okay. So, I'll just which words are there that I'll tell you. Why sky? Why sky? Tell me what type of these words are there? Yes, these words are the rhyming words. These words are called rhyming words. Why? Sky. Rhyming words means ending with the same sound words are called rhyming words. Now, you will find more rhyming words from this poem. Okay? I'll ask you a question. You will answer my question. So, my first question from this four line. The first pair I have told. Now second pair you have to tell. What is the rhyming word for glad? Come on, find out quick. Glad had. Yes, you are right. Glad had is another pair of rhyming words. So now next lines we'll find out. I'll ask you a question, you will answer me. Head. What is the rhyming word for head? Said. Yes, you are right. Head, said. And the last rhyming pair. What is the rhyming word for fun? Sun. Yes. Fun, sun. Yes. All you are right with the rhyming word. So once again we'll repeat the rhyming word. Glad, had. Why, sky. Head, said. Fun, sun. Yes, these are the rhyming words in this poem. Would you like this poem? Yes. Have you enjoyed the poem? Yes. Okay. Everybody enjoy the poem? Yes. So, we conclude our poem with this picture. This is the picture of sun, shining sun. You can draw in your notebook. Yes, sun is one of the star in solar system. I want to ask you few questions before ending the lesson. It's not the question, it's some more information about the sun. Okay, Sun is very important and useful to us. Yes, because of sun, all the living things survive on the earth, and that's why sun is very important. Second, it keeps us warm during winter season. In winter season, normally the climate is very cold, and because of the sun, we feel warm in winter season. Sun rays help in drying our clothes. When we wash our clothes and we put outside in the sun dries the clothes. Yes, and the sun helps to fight the germs. Yes, do you know there are many small germs are around us, and these germs are harmful to our life, and these harmful germs are died in the sun rays. Plants prepare food with the help of sunlight. Why I say sun is very important in our life? Because what food we eat, that food is prepared by the plants, and this plant prepare their food with the help of sun only. Without the sunlight, plants cannot prepare their food. So, sun is very, very important in our life. So, with this, I'll end the lesson till bye.